what she meant. Jelana, tell Jade, what do you like?
I want Jade to repeat topic to us.
Magawa ka kaya kay Ate Dong.
She's only about me and Joey.
Hindi bibili na lang.
Yeah.
She wants you guys to come to her birthday at school.
What?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, Jade.
Ask my teacher.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, just ask your teacher.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I will not say
Because she want her big sissy to go in there, of course. Why? Right, Jelana? Do you want grandma to go to school too? Ayaw na niya papuntahan yung tatay niya.
no.
No. Grandma can go and teach there. Is that okay? Do you want grandma at school?
No.